to Eating Well with Crystal. Today, I want to introduce you to my new recipe, cabbage pancake. If your regular breakfast is pancake made out of milk, butter, and white flour, this is an excellent way to add more vegetables to your most important meal without compromising your taste. Are you not a fan of vegetables? Let me show you why you should at least include cabbage in your regular meals to start eating healthy. First, cabbage belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, which has been found to be the mainstay for prevention of type 2 diabetes in a recent study of over 50,000 adults in Europe. Also, it is a good source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and contains an impressive list of antioxidant compounds, which cleans up your skin, nourishes your hair, and also nurtures your fetus of expecting mothers. Besides that, it only has 34 calories in 1 cup of shredded cabbage compared to 1 cup of diced cheese, which has 533 calories. Plus, you can buy cabbage in all seasons, which makes it accessible throughout the year. As for how to eat it, you must have tried the cabbage coleslaw in some fast food restaurant with your crispy drumstick, but the added mayonnaise could shoot up your fat intake, which is more than 20 grams of fat for a large pot of KFC coleslaw versus 19 grams of large fries, makes it not a very healthy option. Of course, you can eat cabbage salad, but it can be very boring if you eat it every day, especially to eat it in the morning. That's why today's recipe can make your vegetable intake more healthy, delicious, and satisfying. This recipe also includes other healthy ingredients such as green peppers, red pepper, eggs, and whole wheat flour. They all help you get more balanced macronutrients in one meal. Now let me show you how to cook this nutrition-loaded cabbage pancake. First, rinse off the outside dirt on the surface of the cabbage, then split the cabbage into half. For your reference, I use 1/4 of the medium-sized cabbage to make 6 regular-sized pancakes, which is about 4-inch across for each pancake. Then cut the cabbage into thin strips. If you cut like the way I am cutting, you want to cut from the middle one more time to make the strips shorter for the pancake. Then put the cutted cabbage in a big bowl. Soak in the water. You can also add half teaspoon salt in the water to clean the chemical residues inside the cabbage. Soak it for 5 minutes. While the cabbage is soaking, prepare the green and red peppers. I use 1 piece of Anaheim green pepper and 2 small sweet juicy red roaster peppers. Cut off the stems, split in chunks, then take out the seeds, flatten it, and cut into thin strips. Drain the water from the cabbage. Rinse a few times to get rid of the salt. Add the red and green peppers in. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs vigorously until the yolk fully broken up and mixed well. Pour the eggs into the veggie bowl. Add half cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of water, one tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of ground pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Stir thoroughly until the flour, the eggs, and the dressing ingredients are mixed evenly and form into a creamy base. Turn the heat on low. Add olive oil drops in the pancake pan. Brush to spread the oil in the pan. Then fill the pan with cabbage mix. Then close the lid and turn the heat on medium and let it cook for 3 minutes. To make the top of the pancake more smooth, I brush another egg before I flip the pan, and I let it cook for another 3 minutes. When it starts to look like this golden brownish color and there is no running liquid on both sides, turn off the heat and transfer the pancakes in a plate. Your vegetable-loaded, healthy pancakes are ready to eat. The eggs add extra chewy taste to the pancake. The whole wheat flour provides necessary carbs and fiber, and vegetables turn tender with better taste after the cooking. Add some fresh fruits such as blackberry, blueberry, and raspberry. Garnish with chopped green onion paired with black coffee. Have a bite. It is one of the most delicious, nutritious breakfast you can have to start your day. I hope you enjoy this yummy, eye-catching cabbage pancake recipe. This is how to eat healthy food without compromising the taste. Subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes to lose unhealthy weight and eat well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.